to do so, we need an app. So we need to go to apps, and search for FAQ, and we need to install Easy FAQ page help support. So click on Add App, click on Install App, now create first FAQ, and you can really here there are all the categories. You just save, and now for every category you can make as much as you need. So here you can duplicate, edit, and trash it. Now to add the FAQ page to the navigation or menu, we need to copy this URL and put it in your primary menu or in whatever menu you want to put the FAQ page. So add new menu item, FAQ, and you just paste the actual URL. Now we go back to the FAQ, then you can go on design and settings, and here you can change the font color of the category, question, and the answer. You can also change the answer. Let's make it this way and just save. So now you have also the FAQ page.